a humoristic campaign that actually is trying to talk about very serious issues. It is lowered down into the Baltic Sea on the same places where the Swedish armed forces were searching for foreign submarines during last autumn. One part of the campaign is absolutely trying to communicate with Russia, but it is also a reminder to everyone that in situations where states or societies feel insecure, it is so common that you fall back on old solutions, old methods, rearmaments, a military thinking, or when a society feels threatened because not everyone identifies the same sexually. Trying to remind the world, not only Sweden or Russia or any other country close by, but what happened with the idea of make love, not war.